Get it! Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it!
I go where I want, good.
What's up? Is she sleeping? Hey, cutie! Hey, cutie!
Do it all over her
Hey,
face.
cutie!
Camera shy.
Yeah. What's up?
Just say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Hey, if you guys didn't know, I think this is the first time you've ever introduced your daughter.
Oh yeah, this is Parker.
Yeah.
Hello, Parker.
Yeah.
She wants nothing to do with you.
We're in the blue eyeballs. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just got over here to Vince's. Did you already wipe your car down? No? Yeah, I just finished detailing the car. Thought I would put that on. I didn't like film or anything like that entire process, but this is definitely the cleanest I think it's ever been. Sorry, it's really loud. We're by the highway, but just look at that freaking shimmer. It's insane. And check out the new socks. Street bangers in the front. Heads in the back. Hella dope. It looks good though. It looks really good. Helen, look at my freaking outfit. Here, hold these. Hold this. And scoot back because I'm matching my car completely. I'm like a panda. My car's a panda. My outfit's a panda.
What kind of custom socks are those?
They're my socks.
Oh, you got socks made?
Yeah.
When did you have those made?
Like a week ago. Yeah. I think Vince is wanting to wipe down his car. We're gonna go out tonight and go cruise around, see if we can get ourselves into anything. Hopefully there's a lot of people out. I put out on Instagram and stuff too that we were going out. I think you did the same thing. So hopefully some people actually show up, and then hopefully it turns out to a good night. So
I'm gonna paint it, hopefully.
you're gonna paint it?
That's what I want to do.
You still wanting to go with like this color, or yeah?
Not this exact color. It'll be like one shade greater.
Really?
More like a battleship gray.
He didn't end up finishing like the front or the back bumper, just because we ended up running out of wrap. So I guess instead of going and spending the money to buy then more material to wrap it, you just go ahead and just paint it. Yeah. Right. We're heading out now. We're gonna go get something to eat a little bit early, so probably after this clip it'll be quite a bit darker, maybe not too much, but we're gonna go grab something to eat, me and Vince, before we go out and stuff. So hopefully it's a good night. If it is, I guess you guys will see it. Hopefully we can get some runs in. Hopefully that'll be pretty cool content and stuff for you guys. So you want to tell me what's done to this thing? Since you want to run?
Completely stock.
Yeah, we ain't falling for that shit. Go ahead.
Oh man. KO4 bolt-ons. E47 193 to 9.
What the fuck ever, dude.
So we blew the first motor up and went and found a junkyard engine with 300-some thousand miles on it.
Bullshit.
No, don't put me on the spot, man.
Whatever.
No.
If you want to run, you gotta be at least be honest.
No, it's,
I mean, you're gonna beat me, so whatever.
It's an L&F car, full bolt-ons, on 93 to 9. I think it's I'm about to run you on 48, 409 total. So
350 what?
348. I
348.
Think. 348 or 338, and 409 foot-pound of torque.
We do like a second gear 40 roll or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do something like that. So.
You want to do that again? So
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, he's got the edits.
It's okay.
He's got the edits.
So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and run out. Do like a second gear 40 roll. He's gonna beat me. He's got more power than I do. So we'll just see what happens. Have some fun. Get some good content for you guys. So let's get it. This is a Cobalt SS. If you guys didn't know. So.
Yeah. They supposedly turned it down, but with it turned up, it's right around 450 wheel. 440 he said.
We'll see. I mean, I'm just having some fun. So
I know.
Whatever.
I heard it. I heard him let out a little secret, because me and Zach are cool. We're buddies. I surprised the fuck out of him. It was one of Ryan's first race videos of my car when we came out here. I was against the 6-liter GTO. He was the guy that was driving it. He still tells me this is a stock bottom in Cobalt SS, which he's not lying.
Yeah.
But it's not the stock motor. It's out of a fucking Buick GS. Freaking GS turbo ones with a big turbo in too.
I mean, we'll see. You know, it's whatever. Make sure you go for it, brake boosted.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was a good race. Woo!
That was close. I mean,
That was close.
He had me in my car. That was car.
That was nice.
Yeah.
That was good. That was good. Hey, let's do a quick first gear 20. No way, you see me spinning. It's okay.
That wasn't bad. Not bad.
Hey, I need a minute to cool down. You're good.
Yeah.
Let's go.
What do you think? 101 millimeter? Yeah. With stock wheels on the front, it's looking like a sleeper. Woo!
93 with 150 shot, and I'm just 100 shot. My car just works. I never.
Alrighty guys, this fucking Jaguar right here, the cleanest Jaguar I think I've ever seen in my entire life. The meats on that thing though. Got some beefy meats. Holy shit.
Those are just later model Jaguar wheels.
But the tires, like I don't know if it's just because it wraps around the side of the sidewall. It looks like some like off-road tires on this thing, but holy shit. Sorry, we got some Honda over here fucking doing some stupid shit, but the thing is fucking clean as hell, dude. The owner, you want to give out like a shout out for your like Instagram and stuff like that if you guys want to follow him on that?
Yeah, it's Hemp983 on Instagram.
Hemp?
Yeah, Hemp.
9 under?
No, Hemp9.
Hemp Nights?
Yeah.
Like N-I-G-H-T?
Yeah.
Okay.
Small block 350, CZ4 crate motor with a 700 R4 Raptor transmission. Me and my dad did the swap back in like 99, 2000.
Wow.
So the transmission came later because we blew 2 trannies in the beginning.
Is it clean under the hood?
It's not as clean as it should be, but
Do you mind showing?
yeah.
What, 350?
Yeah, 350 small block. Nothing crazy. It hasn't been, other than like a LT4 hot cam kit, there's nothing else crazy going on about it.
This sounds really good. It's like perfect. It's so like elegant sounding, you know, especially like how clean the car looks. That it sounds really good. Oh wow. Okay. Holy shit. Hell yeah, dude. Thanks for showing your car, dude.
Yeah,
I
no
appreciate
problem,
it, dude. It's a sick freaking build. I appreciate you showing it off. So
Wow.
CTS-V. Damn, let's look at the paint on that. Holy crap! Look at that through my camera.
Yeah, you should see it in the sun.
Oh, it sounds probably ridiculous.
Wow.
Cold air intakes, got headers, wrapped headers, E85, got a catch can. It's got the Joker's ported blower. The 2.35 pulley, so it's overdriven. Of course, it's got bigger injectors for the 85.
Full exhaust.
Full exhaust. 654 on 85 and 590 on 93.
It's good power. Really good power.
The rubber pad here we got.
Yeah, I'm just surprised of how quiet this car is. I really am.
It's not.
Well, I'm just saying, like,
It'll flat out make your ears bleed.
if you got valves, can you open valves and shit?
No, that's just
Oh,
that's the Corsa.
woo! Sounds good. It just, like, you really have a really hard time, even with radials. You were running, what, Mickey Thompsons?
Yep, and that's with the traction control on.
Yeah, and you're still spinning.
Yep.
And I'm like,
And it's
wow,
pulling power,
wow.
It's pulling power out, but I'll put it in competitive mode.
Yeah. It's quick. It's quick. Yeah. That's fun.
Oh yeah,
It's
make
fun.
you giggle.
Yeah, it's cool. I appreciate it.
Dad, your car's got on Instagram now.
it is. What is it?
That's why it's
Elvira 650
Good God. Why so long? You made that hard.
Elvira is only
not letting the heads.
ELVIRA
The heads aren't big enough.
650 HP.
Okay.
It's only.
Hey, I appreciate it, dude.
Hey, no problem.
Appreciate it.
You take him?
Alrighty, guys. What is your name?
Brock.
Brock. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna take Brock for a ride. He's never been in my car. I guess he's gonna be a new subscriber to the channel. I'm gonna take him a ride and get your guys' reaction to his car. I'm gonna probably hit two-step a couple times, maybe launch control a couple times, and then get your reaction. So let's go get it. Of course, there's a van going through.
Yeah.
Well, dude, hopefully that was enough.
Oh yeah. I mean, it was fun. I mean, like I said, I've never ridden a turbo car, so it was cool to see the other side.
I wasn't really able to. I mean, like, I hit two-step once. I mean, you got to feel it, but it wasn't like. It's just there's so much traffic right now, so.
Yeah.
Sorry.
But thanks for taking me for a ride, though. It was awesome.
Of course. A 350Z with the GTR front end. I'm surprised it didn't even fit.
It's not real.
Hella truck overload. Damn, that looks good.
Oh yeah.
That's clean as hell, though. His headlights are sick. Jenny.
Oh, Jenny.
Jenny. Jenny. Damn. Skirt. Nope. Gonna stop and do a burnout, isn't he? Yep, he is. He is. Crowd killer. He's like, I gotta watch out.
He had balls. I didn't get past this curve. I seen him like start sideways. Like I've seen this before on YouTube.
I thought he would at What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
Loud? Fucking loud.
I thought he was sitting out there like doing a burnout. He didn't do anything. And misshift. Get it! Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. No fender. You almost lost it.
Give us a wheel.
Damn. Damn, now he's got to stop. Shit. Alrighty guys, that is the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's just a lot of like park and chill type stuff. Random clips of people doing stupid shit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the race. It wasn't a win, but it was fun. So yeah, if you guys like the video, man, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys. Keep it. Peace.